Welcome to English Journey. Learn to speak English confidently, step by step, with listening, repeating, and a story about two friends. Emma says, "Hi Ryan, you look happy today." Ryan replies, "Hey Emma, I just finished my English speaking practice." Emma asks, "Really? You've been practicing a lot lately." Ryan says, "Yes, I want to speak English more confidently. I listen, repeat, and try to speak every day." Emma says, "That's great, but don't you feel nervous sometimes?" Ryan says, "Of course I do, but I've learned confidence grows with practice." Emma says, I like that confidence grows with practice. So what's your secret?" Ryan says, "It's called shadowing. I listen to English speakers and repeat exactly what they say, their words, rhythm, and tone." Emma asks, "Oh, like an echo?" Ryan says, "Exactly. It helps my pronunciation and speaking flow." Emma says, "That sounds fun, but I always feel shy when I speak." Ryan says, "Don't worry, everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers. The key is to keep going and not give up." Emma says, "You're right. Maybe we can practice together." Ryan says, "Sure. Let's try it now. Repeat after me. I can speak English confidently." Practice phrase 1. I can speak English confidently. Practice phrase 2. Practice makes perfect. Ryan says, "See, you sound great already." Emma says, "Thank you, Ryan. I feel more confident now." Now it's your turn to shadow. Listen carefully and repeat each sentence after me. Your English coach. English Journey. I can speak English confidently. I practice every day. Mistakes help me learn. I believe in myself. Excellent. Let's try one more time, a little faster. I can speak English confidently. I practice every day. Mistakes help me learn. I believe in myself. Great job. Every time you speak, you're improving. Remember, confidence doesn't come first, practice does. Keep speaking, keep smiling, and enjoy your English journey. If you enjoyed this shadowing practice, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I'm confident in English. See you in the next episode. Subscribe now.